Today I'm going to show you how to log in and use commonlit.org. Commonlit is a reading website that is sort of similar to Achieve 3000, but it doesn't just have nonfiction articles. It has short stories, narratives, poems, and also nonfiction informational articles. So if your teacher is giving you these assignments through Google Classroom, when you would log in at the top, you would click log in with Google and you would log in like Google Classroom or Padlet or Flipgrid. Once you log in, your page will look like this. It will have one section with the assignments that you need to do, assignments that you have submitted, but your teacher still needs to grade, and then your completed assignments. So once you get in there, when you click your passage, there will be some information about the article, maybe some background knowledge, and then on the last sentence will be a bolded annotation task. So for this text, you will need to take notes on how the author describes Chiron as a character. So you click got it after you read, and then it'll take you into your text. So I like using the guided reading mode, so it gives you just a small section to read at a time, and then once you've read that, you will click the Q1 question 1 icon and your first question will come up. So it also has a read aloud button if you need help reading. There are also numbers by words that might be unknown, and when you click on it, it will give you a definition of the word or what the word means. So as you read, it's asking you to annotate. So if we click up here, it'll teach us how to annotate. So similar to Achieve, you highlight a piece of text, and then you can click highlight. You can also add an annotation. So our task is to describe Chiron as a character. So this says he's an extremely talented mentor. So we could write something like Chiron is very good at being a mentor. And done. So then you have that little note on the side and your text is still highlighted. So once you've read and annotated and answered the question, it will unblur the next section that it wants you to read. So you would continue like that until the end of the passage. Once you are done with all of your guiding questions, everything has been unblurred and you're able to read the entire text. We'll hit continue and it'll tell you your score and then you will begin the assessment. So like Achieve, you are still able to go back to your text, use any annotations or highlights to finish the assessment. Once you finish the assessment, it'll get sent to your teacher and they will grade it, look it over, and send it back to you. So that is Common Lit. It's a nice way for you to annotate online during this distance learning.